Welcome back, friends. Today is sanding day. We've got a lot of sanding to do. So far I've gotten the back compartment here. You can really tell the difference whenever you have someone helping you. So Dad was helping me on these two back portions, and obviously I've already sanded it, so it's a little harder to tell, but as you move farther up the boat you see how I've got a lot of these cutouts. So I was doing all this myself and I ended up with a lot of bubbles. So I was starting to get to work on sanding the rest of the boat, and then I realized I still had all these cutouts to do. I think this compartment I didn't have any. This is one of the last ones I did, so I did a pretty good job with it. But then up here I've got a number of them again, because the hole sharpens so much I just could not get the fiberglass to lay flat. So we've got all that cut out now, so we're gonna get to sanding. So I was going to start sanding, and then I realized I still have to pick up all these things, so we're going to try using the vacuum to pick those up. So we'll take off my sanding rig. Alright, that wraps it up for the vacuuming. Let's get to sanding.
Now keep in mind, you're not trying to completely smooth out the wood. We're only trying to take off any high edges and rough up the surface of the epoxy so the next layers will bond effectively.
Well, there it is, all sanded up. So the next step is sanding with the oscillating tool to get all the corners, everything that I couldn't reach with the orbital sander. And then after that, it'll be vacuuming the entire boat, and then we can put on 2 or 3 coats of epoxy to further seal the inside of the boat. So that's what we got on the horizon, but pretty short video this week. I think I'm going to try doing a weekly update video, so there may be a little bit less content per video, but it might end up helping me to put them out faster. So we'll see how that goes. Take care, everyone.